Tip number 4, yoo-hoo! We need to make sure that our metadata is set up correctly. Yoast allows us to put templates in place for our titles and also our descriptions. So let's come under our page, for example. Let's come down, scroll down, pick up our page, and we can see here that the default SEO title will take these variables. It'll say the title, the page, a separator, and then the site title. Let's have a look at that inside a page. We're going to add a brand new page so we can actually see what's going on, and we're just going to publish it. View the page, and now we can see here the actual title. It's coming up with the page title and the actual site name. So let's go make some changes and see what happens. Come into here, let's put testing at the end. Save those changes, come back in here, refresh, and there it is, testing at the end. So you can now start to see the link between the actual two. What about the descriptions? Well, the descriptions are the same. By default, if you don't put a description into the individual content item, then nothing will get put in there. Now, if you use this tool like Semrush, which is what I recommend, and that will give you basically access to a free trial. And also after the trial, I think you get about 100 pages you can scan every month. So it's still worthwhile, even if you don't want to pay, to actually keep Semrush, but give it a go. And there's the link, getos.at/Semrush. If you're using a tool like Semrush, it will throw up a lot of errors and messages if you've got blank descriptions, short descriptions, and so on. So hence, setting up right in the first place inside Yoast is pretty important. Let's come back and actually change the description in here. This is a default Yahoo. Okay, I'm going to save that now, and I'm going to go and have a look at this test page in the source code. If there's no description, it pops it in there if you actually have it in the template. Isn't that great? Yoo-hoo! Notice that it won't show you the description when you're logged in. This is a default. Yay! So there you go. Yoo-hoo! Whoa! Hey, I hope you got a lot of value from the video today. This video is one tip of 5 tips, and there's a bonus tip as well. If you want to watch the whole video, watch this now. This video is the complete video, and there's extra information here about SEO and a lot of other extra information, more than what's actually been in this tip video. So thank you very much again today. Keep on watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.